everybody, it's Indigo, and I am back with a coin shop pickup video. I ended up going to my LCS today and I took $10 face value of the Franklin half dollars that were, the worst ones I had that were kind of beat up or cleaned or both. I had a couple that were environmentally damaged and things like that. But I ended up selling 5 1 ounce rounds and the $10 face in Franklin's, and ended up getting paid with, I had to add a little cash on this, but I ended up getting paid in 3 10th ounce platinums. I've been kind of looking at platinum here recently, and apparently Blue is very happy about that. But been looking at platinum recently because I personally feel like with gold at 4,000 an ounce, people are starting to be, if not already, priced out of gold. At some point, the only people who are going to be able to buy gold are either the top 1 or 10th of a percent or what have you, or more likely these big central banks. So these foreign nations are buying it because they don't really care. They can just print the money, right? But for the rest of us, when a 20th of an ounce of gold is almost $200, or it is $200 in some instances, what do you buy? Well, I've been looking at platinum, and I don't have very much. I only had a 1/4 ounce that I ended up basically winning in a vault box auction. So I wanted a little bit more. I'm trying to zig when everybody else is trying to zag here. Everybody's focusing on silver or gold, or what have you. But platinum has very, very quietly put on a really good rally here lately. So I bought some of what I could. I took coin roll hunting finds. So I literally had $20 invested in the Franklins, and then I sold those for almost 30 times face value. So really not mad at that at all, right? It's hard to argue with getting almost $300 out of something that is not only beat up and damaged, but that you have face value in. So did that, got it in platinum, super happy with that. And also while I was there, got offered this. This is a 68 proof S over S RPM FS 501. Let me zoom in a little bit because you can see this one naked eye visible. And let me go ahead and get the scope out and get the dog to calm down. And there we go. So check out the doubling or the repunching on this mint mark. This is naked eye visible, in case you were wondering. It doesn't show very well on camera, but that is just an absolutely massive RPM for a proof. Clearly the dogs agree. But this one was only 40 bucks and it was already graded, and my LCS didn't really care a whole lot about clad varieties. So 40 bucks, I think PCGS in a 67, this is gonna be like a $125 price guide value. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with this one. I'm kind of in the, do I crack it out and resubmit, or do I try to cross it as is question. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments, because again, there are some scratches on the holder, but I would like this one in a PCGS holder. And you can kind of see right there, see the RPM on the mint mark. You can just see it clear as day. But the coin is very nice. There is no cameo whatsoever on it, but it certainly is a high quality proof. I think all of the scratching is on the plastic. So would you crack this, or would you try to cross it? Let me know, and if you think, let me know what you think about the platinum trade as well. So going from silver at near or record all-time highs to platinum. Would you do it? What do you think of platinum? What do you think of silver? Do you think I'm crazy? That's perfectly fine. But yeah, just let me know. And if you made it this long, thanks for watching.